Hello everyone, welcome to macOS Genius on the YouTube channel. So a client of mine has asked how in Microsoft Outlook you can have a custom font size and also color. And here to show you, let me go ahead and remote connect to the Mac. This is the testing Mac. So if we're going to go ahead and open Microsoft Outlook. And this doesn't matter if you're on version with High Sierra or if you're on Ventura, which is the latest and greatest. So these are a dummy email that I use. So we're going to go ahead, new message. Now under the body, you can just type emails. Okay. So, but what if you wanted to switch to something specific? If we can find it here, do RL, and we want to do 12. But we want this to be default each and every time. So if I delete this email, well, correction, let's not delete the email. Let's create a new email. As you can see, it goes back to Calibri. So what you want to do is we're going to go ahead and discard this. You're going to go to the top where it says Outlook, select on Settings. From Settings, you want to go under the top row and select on Fonts. Under Fonts, you want to select on New Mail. Under here, you want to be specific with specific font that you want to select. So we're going to select on Arial. The size you want specifically will be, say, 12. Font color is automatic. Automatic is black, but you want to go ahead and change this to blue or whatever other color you prefer to choose. So we'll say blue. Underline style, color, you don't really need to do that unless you want to make it change different. So as you can see, it's right here. This is what it'll look like. So you want to go ahead and hit OK, and then close this. And as you type a new email, and go to the body, and you can say body of email. And there's your blue, and you can see it's defaulted by Arial or 12. Now, if you decide to say, I'm going to reply to an email, here we'll do a reply. Either this applies to reply or reply to all. And when you type in the email, it doesn't show the color. It still shows black and white. So what you want to do is you can go ahead and discard that email. You can go back up to Outlook, select on Settings, select on Fonts, select on Reply or Forward. Since we already did it under New Email, you want to select this for Calibri. You want to change it to whatever it is, the font that you want. The font type is Arial. The size you want is 12 for an example. The font color, you want to do blue. Now for individuals that want to have different font color or fonts or so forth, it's probably because they want to see a different font they're very familiar with. They didn't want this one or that one or whatever the case may be. But also font color is very useful because when you're replying to an email, you're not sure if that color that you're seeing in an email is your email that you replied back, or it could have been someone else's email that's using black but it's not Arial, or it's not Calibri, or it could be something else. So you want to go ahead and select on OK. And then here where it says fallback font for preview messages, as you can see on the left hand side, these are emails here. Now it says ends tomorrow, free something, Microsoft security. So these are under Calibri. You could change it to Arial or whatever you want, and then whenever you select that specific font, we'll change this preview line only. So that's really up to your discretion. So since we did new mail and then we did reply to forward, we're going to go here. We're going to select on this email specifically, reply. We're going to put in the body of email, and there you go. You have the blue color or the specific color or fonts and size that you want it. Feel free to subscribe. We greatly appreciate it. Any comments or concerns that you would like to see a new feature or functionality in Outlook or in Mac, feel free to put a comment down below and I'll be greatly appreciated. Thanks. Have a great day.